Stop by and take a look at the 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, backup camera, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel drive, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.